All right, now that you've clicked the QR code on the previous slide there, you'll come to this website, formulator.kudzusoftware.com. Click download, fill out this form, hit send request. You will get an email that looks like this. It will have a download link in it, also have some information about contacting support if you have any issues. Note that the FORMulator only runs on, the packaged version anyway, only runs on Windows 10 or 11. If you want an unpackaged version to run on a different operating system, you can send an email to helpdesk@kudzusoftware.com. So we'll go ahead and download this. And it's going to open up the installer. It's an MSIX package, which does have a certificate on it, so you shouldn't get any errors trying to install it. Once it's installed, it'll launch it. Going to go to one of our M365 sites. And you can go on-prem, you can go cloud. It walks you through kind of setting up the app registration. Just put in your client ID. You can extract the file, so as it finds them, you can instruct it to extract them, to a folder. Go ahead and click Start here. You can spin up as many as 8 workers. Right now, it's scanning that site. It's identifying all the subsites, looking for all the lists and libraries, finding all the forms. Found 16. I'm going to come over here. At the top, you get kind of this portability score. This is going to give you a really good idea of how much of the form can be ported to the destination, whether it's one of the Nintex platforms or Power Apps or one of the other ones that we support. Then you get kind of a complexity score, low, medium, high, based on a bunch of different factors, but largely input density, number of views, number of fields, things of that nature. Then you get details, whether or not it was a list or library, what the template type is. This currently supports InfoPath and Nintex for SharePoint, how many times it was filled out, last used, and then a bunch of information, detailed information that should translate well into the complexity and portability scores. You can also take this and export it to Excel. It'll write it out to an Excel spreadsheet, same data. So you've got the nice formatted view you saw in the tool. Here's a data table, so I could come in here and say, give me everything where, it's greater than, 0. Come in here and, based on last used, how many, grade A, B, and C, low complexity, whatever. So you can slice and dice this any way you want. You also get the ROI calculator in here. You can change the assumptions on that, hours to low, medium, and high complexity forms. And then you can obviously take this data and use it to help you in your planning efforts, your sizing, whether or not it makes sense to, possibly leverage, our SaaS platform Kudzu in order to assist in that migration. Again, formulator.kudzusoftware.com. Download it, try it, no obligation, completely free. Should help you out. Thank you. Bye.